Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on App Cloner and click on one of the available apps that you wish to clone, like Facebook. Now select this switcher next to Create App Clone in order to clone it. Wait couple of seconds and adjust those two options. You can rename your cloned app however you wish to. I will go with Facebook too. And save your new name by tapping on Save. And also adjust when using quick functions by tapping on it and selecting the best option for you. I will go with Open Main App. So now when I go to check, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, access exactly the same settings and tap on No Blue Switcher over here. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!